Hi YouTube. So my appointment with the assessment people, it went okay. I was diagnosed bulimic. Which, I mean, I'm okay about, but I don't binge. Like I don't. Sorry, just I'm waiting for my dad to come back in. I don't eat a whole load of food and then throw up. I just have like a meal or whatever. I don't know, but that's what they diagnosed me as. University now know, which was scary. I have been told I've lost. I'm not actually going to tell you how much, but over half a stone. Since a week past Tuesday, and they're not happy about that. But yeah, I genuinely do want to get better. I just don't want to be bigger. I feel too big as it is. Anyway, yeah, university, you know, well, and I really not loving the fact that they know, but it is what it is. I suppose that's the only update I've got really. Just that I was really honest with the psychiatry people, and fingers crossed I can kick it in its ass. Yeah, hope so.